Callum, here is your all-important challenge on Go For It tonight. You have got to solve 5 Rubik's Cubes, but one of them you need to do blindfolded, one one-handed, one with your feet, and 2 using the normal method with both hands. And on top of that, you will only have 3 minutes to do all 5, right? I know. Let's reveal the challenge. Right, first things first, you need to take off your shoes and your socks, because obviously you've got to do one with your feet. There you go. Lovely stuff. Right, there. Oh, I'll look after him, don't worry. Right. When you're ready, pop your blindfold on and your time will start when you hear the klaxon. I just want to ask you, Callum, do you want silence from the audience?
Preferably, yes, please. OK.
Audience, shut your face. Right, whenever you're ready.
OK.
Just give us a thumbs up and then you'll hear the klaxon. He's off. Now, you have my word. I have checked this blindfold. Can't see a thing, believe me. If he does it, I'm just going to be amazed. He's done it! Move on! Try and pick up speed now. Two minutes to go. I so wanted to do this. Now the one with your feet! This guy's a wizard! Doing a Rubik's Cube with 2 hands, fair enough. Doing it with your feet, you're having a laugh. Minute and a half to go. One minute left. "45 seconds left. I so wanted to do this. You've done it! Quick! 30 seconds left. Right, last one, 20 seconds. 15 seconds.
Hey there, welcome to the end screen. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications. See you next time.